In this video, we are going to see the third part of average and ages topic of the Aptitude series. So, in this part, I am going to explain the questions regarding the age concept. So, before going to see the questions, let us see the concept. So, in the concept, I have taken a father and a son example. Now, the present age of the father let it be 40 and the son let it be 10. So the difference of their ages are 30. Present after 20 years, the age of the father become 40 plus 20 which is 60 and 10. The son age will be 10 plus 20 which is 30. Again the difference of the ages are the same like 30. So from the after 20 years, from there after next 20 years the ages become 80:50. At that time also the difference of their ages are 30. So means the difference from here to next 20 years or from the next 20 years the difference of their ages are same. So it is in the ratio like 4:1, like 2:1 and 8:5. Now let us move to the questions. You will get the more grip on the concept when you solve the questions. Now in this topic, let us see the first question. The question is like, Viro got married 6 years ago. So in the 6 years ago from the now, let us take like this, like the present from the 6 years ago he got the married. Today her age is 1 by 4 times of her age at the time of her marriage. So at the present her age is, let it the marriage her age is, let it be x. Now it is like 1 by 4 times of the age from the marriage, like 1 by 4 is nothing but 4 into 1 which is 4 plus 1 which is 5 by 4. So which is like 5 by 4 x is the present age. So the difference of 5 by 4 x minus x which is given as 6 years. So now if you simplify this, like 5x minus 4x which is equals to 24. Now x is equals to 24 means f x is equals to 24 means 5 by 4 into 24 which is equals to like 4 6 are 24, 5 into 6 which is 30 years. The 30 years is the age of the Meera in the present. Now her son age is 1 by 10 times her age. So her son age is like 1 by 10, let us here take as son, 1 by times of the Meera age. What is the present age of her son? So we got the value of Meera age as 30 by 10 which is nothing but 3 years old is the son of the Meera. So which is in the option A. Now let us move to the next question. The next question is like, the ratio of present age of Ram and Shivam is 7:9. So present age of Ram and Shivam is like 7:9. F 12 years ago, from the present 12 years ago the ratio of their ages was 5:7. At here the ratios are 5:7. Then find the ratio of their ages 2 years from now. So we need to find the ratio of their ages from the now to the 12 years. So here when we in the first only I said the concept, like here the difference is 2. Let us take the present age as like actual like 7x and the 9x. In the past let it be 5y and 7y. Here the difference is 2x and the difference is in the past 12 years the difference is 5y and the 7y the difference is 2y. Beginning only I said the concept, like the difference of the age from the present or the past to the future will be same. Like I taken a father and son concept in the beginning only. So here the difference the present is 2x, the past is 2y. So always from the present or the past or to the future, the difference will be same from the two persons. So if the 2x is equals to 2y means x is equals to y, then the new ratios is like Ram and Shivam is like R and S is like the present is 7 and let it be 7x and let it be 9x. In the y, let us replace with the x, like from the past 12 years it is like 5x and the 7x. Like if x is equal to y means I am replacing the y with the x, so I have written like this. So from the difference 2x is equals to 12 means, so for the 12 years difference it is like 2x. So for the next 12 years, with this same difference like 2x will be the age, which is equals to 9x. Again here the difference is 2x. So from the difference of this 2x from the past, if we add to the future like plus 2x, then it will be 11x for the next 12 years, like it is like p plus 2, p plus 12 and it is like p minus 12. So at their future 12 years it is like 9:11 ratio their ages will be. So which is in the option A. Just here we have a simple concept like the difference of the ages from the present or the past or the future of the two persons will be same. So use this trick. Now let us see the next question, which is the question based on the averages, which is the leftover from the average topic. So here the question is like the mean of 50 numbers is 30. So mean means it's nothing but average only, average of 50 numbers, like let it be 50 sum. To avoid confusion I am taking here bar by 50, the number of observations is 50, which is equals to 30. Later it was discovered that two entries were wrongly entered as 82 and 13 instead of 28 and 31. So the wrongly entered as, so in this 50 sum let's take like this, like 48 sum plus wrongly entered as like 82 plus 13 by 50, which is equals to 30. But the actual one is, so the actual one is like 48 sum plus 28 plus 13 should be replaced. Again find out the correct mean. So here we need to find this correct mean. So if we write the equations to this, like 48 sum plus, if we sum this together, like we will get 95, which is equals to 30 into 50. Again let us consider this as equation 1. Again from this let let it be correct average like this, like average C, like 48 sum plus 28 plus 31, which is like 59, which is equals to average C into 50. Let us consider this as equation 2. Now subtract equation 2 from the equation 1, then we are going to get like it here it is like 6, 36. Here if you separate this, like 48 sum will be get cancelled in the two equations, and here we are left over with 95 minus 59, which is 36. Again here we have 50, take 50 as common, like 30 minus average C. So now if we simplify this, we are going to get the average C value. Like now after simplification we got like the average C is equals to 29.28. So the average C we got as 29.28, which is in the option C. So why I taken this bar means to avoid the confusion, like if you not take this bar means this will merge in the calculations. So I have kept for identification the bar. So finally we have got this, the average of the correct one is like